Well, very good day. Today I'm going to show you how to manage projects in ezyPMS system. In the previous videos I have shown you how to create project and how to create the task and everything, and today I'm going to show you how to manage those projects. Okay, so for manage project I'm just clicking my project, which is in the top left of the page. You can see it, right? So I'm just clicking it. It takes you to this page. Here you can see the title of the project and also description and also the status, and also if you can want to add task, you can just click it here and add task, and also view, edit and delete options here. Okay, so I am just clicking view to manage project. Okay, it takes you to this page. You can see the details, right? So here you can see every detail of your project. You can see the project name, the project's created date, and also the recently updated date, and also the starting date and expected end date, and the status of the project, whether it's open or in hold or it's completed and everything, and also the description of the project which you have created already, and you can see the things here. Below that, you can see the team, who the project is assigned to, who are the project managers, who are the owner, means agency, and whether the project is assigned to clients or who are the staffs you have included. You have see the team details here. Okay, so below that you can see the number of tasks assigned in this project. Okay, here you can see there are 14 tasks assigned. 14 tasks assigned in this project. You can see it here. Okay, so you can see the every detail of the task here. Okay, here you can see the colors which we have assigned during the task creation. We just give different colors to differentiate each task, right? So these are the colors here. We just given here. Okay, so second, it's title of the task and also the level of their progress, and it shows a percentage how it's completed and everything is shown here. Okay, and next you can see the description here, the task description which we given in during the time of task creation, and the things are here. Okay, you can see, and here you can see the prioritized level of the task. Okay, here are the numbers 1 2 3 4 and 5. I just told you how you can prioritize your task up to 1 to 5th level, and also the prioritized color is also changing according to the importance of the task. Okay, so it's all shown here. And the next you can see the status of the task, whether it is completed, waiting for approval, or QC, or in progress, or for waiting for data, or everything you can see it here. Okay, and the next thing you can see here, view the complete task, and also you can edit the task, and the delete options is also here, you can use it. Okay, so here is another important feature I want to show you. You can also drag this task here. Okay, to prioritize your level. So as you can see, I just dragged here and it's changed. Okay, as you can see, the first task is completed, right? So I just want it to be in the last. Okay, so I can prioritize other tasks, so I'm just giving it in the last level. Okay, as you can see, the second task became the first one, and also the first completed task became the last priority of my task list. Okay, so here you can drag and prioritize your important task, which is helpful for you to do it on the time. Okay, so these are the things I want to say in the managed projects of ezyPMS system. Hope you all got it. Thank you so much.